Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, we will demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, even if you have a different year, but that generation video may be helpful. Always check the fuses for the fuel pump as well. You may have up to 2 fuses. We have the video on the channel, check it out, it will talk about that. Now the fuse box that we will need to work in will be the one under the hood, right above the radiator, guys, that fuse box right here. Once you open that cover, you will see the relays and the fuses. Okay, that will be the layout right here. You will be on this side, and the relay side will be towards the windshield of the Ford F-150. Now let's explain why it's important to test relays and fuses. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the relay for the fuel pump, guys. First, those Ford Motor Company relays, okay, they could be really expensive and hard to find sometimes if you are driving through small towns, if you're in the middle of nowhere. So we recommend get some spares, guys. You have only 3 different kinds of relays. Keep one of those spares in the glove box, so if you need some, you can always, guys, swap it and be back on the road. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The relay that we'll need to find now will be, if we come on the very left side, even if you have a missing relay, you count the spot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That relay number 8 right here, that's the relay, guys, for your fuel pump. Check that relay. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.